Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot, helps the channel grow. Today we're just gonna be doing some shots of the Camaro. I'm gonna go hit the car wash right now. As you saw in the previous video, or a couple videos back, I washed my car and my boys. 335 right there. We waxed them and everything. I'm not gonna be waxing this car, but there's so much pollen on the Camaro, I just gotta get it washed. So we'll catch you at the car wash and we'll proceed with this video. Starting to rain. We're trying to get some clips for y'all, but I'm gonna rip it low, you know. We made it out to Mexico finally. Woo! This road's some trash, yo. We were trying to get some outside shots for you guys, but I guess we'll see how it is out there. Also, I want you guys to drop in the comments below what you want to see on this channel. I mean, obviously the racing and stuff like that's going to keep coming out, but I want to see what else you guys want for the channel. Alright guys, I'm about to gap this Model Y. Like, nah. That thing is fucking sick though. It's clean. Damn, bro, I really hope. Like, it looks like it's about to start pouring. So let's hope that we can get this off. Might just have to send it. Straight up. Send it for the YouTube. Coronavirus. So, you know. Camaros love to have a shitty ass 1 to 2 gear, like really jumpy. I don't know why. Alright guys, so I was just testing out angles for you guys so you can kind of see what's good. Obviously I'm going to do a lot better footy. It's starting to rain right now, so that's the only reason why we just wanted to get a little quick shots in. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know how you like the angles. I do have 2 GoPros now, so we should be rocking with all different types of views on all different types of videos. The races, I should be able to suction cup the GoPro onto my boy's car so we can get some finish line action and stuff like that. So please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you next video, guys. Peace.